Welcome to another TinkerBlock tutorial. Today we're building something straight out of a spy movie, an invisible security system that detects when someone breaks an infrared beam. This is the Invisible Guardian, and it's perfect for protecting doorways, windows, or any area you want to monitor. Here's what we need: our lonely binary UNO R3, the TinkerBlock shield, and 4 key modules. The TK63 infrared transmitter continuously sends an invisible beam, while the TK64 receiver detects when that beam is broken. When triggered, the TK36 buzzer sounds an alarm, and the TK01 LED provides visual feedback. The wiring is straightforward. Connect the TK63 transmitter to digital pin D5, the TK64 receiver to D7, the buzzer to D9, and the LED to D3. Power and ground connections go to the shield. The beauty of TinkerBlock is how easy this is. Just plug and play. The code uses a simple but effective approach. We continuously read the IR receiver status. When it's high, the beam is intact. When it goes low, something has broken the beam. Our system detects this change and immediately triggers a 2-second alarm with both sound and light. Watch this in action. The system is armed and monitoring. When I place my hand between the transmitter and receiver, the beam breaks, triggering the alarm. Notice how the LED lights up and the buzzer sounds for exactly 2 seconds, then automatically resets. The serial monitor shows us real-time information about each break event. What makes this system professional grade is its reliability. We use edge detection to only respond to actual beam breaks, not false signals. The 2-second auto reset prevents annoying continuous alarms, and our event logging tracks every incident with timestamps. This Invisible Guardian has endless applications. Use it to monitor doorways, protect valuable items, create pet barriers, or even build a laser maze game. The modular design makes it easy to expand with multiple zones or add wireless connectivity. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other TinkerBlock tutorials. Happy building!